Hello, I'm Kate Quick, the Organizing Manager for United Academics at the University of Alaska System. Our UNAC leadership and staff has gotten a few questions about what exactly our organizational vice presidents and representative assembly members do in their roles as union leaders. Since it's almost time to elect our next slate of org VPs and RA members, we decided a short video is the best way to clarify exactly what's entailed in these positions. The upcoming election is for our 4 org VP positions and our RA positions. Our statewide officers were elected last spring. All elected UNAC leaders serve 3-year terms. This term will begin July 1st, 2024. Nominations will open on December 3rd, 2023. All of our members in good standing, anyone paying dues for 3 or more months or within 30 days of hire, will receive an email notification with details about the nomination process. Voting will take place from January 21st to February 5th, 2024. Again, only dues-paying members in good standing have the opportunity to run and/or vote in this election. Our org VPs have a seat on the UNAC Executive Board, along with our statewide president, secretary, and treasurer. The Executive Board makes all major union decisions, often with the advice of the RA body, its committees, or the general membership. Our 4 org VPs are split up as follows. We have 1 for the UAA Goose Lake and CTC campuses, 1 for UAF Trothieta campus, 1 for UAS Juneau campus, and 1 for all extended sites or rural campuses at all 3 MAUs, including UAF CTC. Categorization is based on UA designations. Org VPs serve important roles in UNAC leadership. They serve as a point of contact for their constituents in the bargaining unit, and they give monthly reports to their faculty senate when requested. They work with UNAC officers and staff on current member issues and participate in biweekly executive board meetings, as well as 4 representative assembly meetings per year. These meetings are where UNAC's active discussions and decision-making processes happen. Org VPs also play an important role in helping to build solidarity among bargaining unit members at each location and system-wide. One important bonus to being an org VP is the opportunity to work with UA colleagues from around the state on issues that are sometimes unique to locations or individuals, and other times common to every bargaining unit member. Org VPs and all officers are part of our Representative Assembly, or RA, which is the larger governing body of United Academics. To ensure fair representation, members of the RA are apportioned by location. We have 6 RA members for UAA's Anchorage locations, 6 RA members for UAF's Trothieta campus, 2 RA members for UAS's Juneau campus, and 1 RA member each for UAA's extended sites, UAF's extended sites, and UAS's extended sites. All seats are at large. If anyone feels that their unit is underrepresented in the RA, the best way to resolve this is to be a member in good standing and run for a seat on the RA. RA members play an important role in UNAC's governing process. Being on the RA is less of a time commitment than being an officer of the E-Board, and it's a great way to learn the inner workings of United Academics. In addition to attending 4 annual RA meetings, which occur on a Saturday from 10 to 2, RA members participate in a UNAC committee to help shape our policies, priorities, budgets, outreach, and events. This generally includes a 1-hour committee meeting per month and 0 to 3 or more hours of time commitment beyond the committee meetings, depending on the committee, the time of year, and other factors. At the RA's twice per semester meetings as a statewide body, we discuss and vote on union policies, motions, resolutions, and annual union budgets. All items discussed at RA meetings began in UNAC committees, with very few exceptions. RA members also serve as points of contact for UNAC bargaining unit members at their locations, and RA members coordinate with org VPs, officers, and UNAC staff as needed. Being on the RA is a great way to meet colleagues from around the UA system, while participating in the important work of your union. If running for either org VP or the RA sounds too daunting right now, there are other ways to support your union. Even if you're not on the RA, any dues-paying member is encouraged to join one of our committees. Reach out to your org VP to learn more. You can help organize events at your location. You can print and hang flyers. You can encourage your colleagues to be dues-paying members of UNAC, testify at the BOR on topics relevant to UNAC members, contact legislators about funding the university, complete UNAC surveys when we email them to you, submit letters to the editor or opinion pieces, etc. The more involvement we have in all these various forms from our members, the stronger our union will be and the better bargaining power we will have next August. It takes all of us, whether or not you're ready to run for one of these positions. However, we hope you will decide to run if you're eligible. If you're not, we hope you'll become a dues-paying member of UNAC so you can run in the future. Let's get a broad slate of candidates to pick from for each position in this election. Contact your org VP or UNAC staff if you have questions or ideas. In solidarity, let's invest, commit, and respect our bargaining unit members. We hope this is a great election. Thanks.